The amount of humanitarian aid going into the Gaza Strip will be ramped up in coming days, Israel's ministry said. On Sunday, citing new corridors that use an Israeli seaport and border crossings into the Palestinian enclave. After closing off access to Gaza following the Hamas attack on October 7 that set off the war, Israel has since allowed in aid convoys amid growing international pressure to boost the amount of supplies to feed Gaza's 2.3 million people. Over the last few weeks, the amount of humanitarian aid going into Gaza has significantly increased. In the coming days, the amount of aid going into Gaza will continue to scale up even more. Spokesperson Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari said in a statement. Israel is also working with U.S. Central Command to construct a temporary maritime pier, which will allow ship-to-shore distribution, Hagari said.
1, 2, 3 ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।